Hi, welcome to the channel. Here I post challenging math problem videos. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. So without further delay, let's start. Today we have a problem based on the famous black book. This problem says, this is the problem number 30 from the chapter 1. The problem says if sigma from r to n log of r base 2 is equal to 2010, and this greatest integer function is there, and so we have to find the value of the sum of the digits of n. Okay, so what just can we do is, let's write this equation. So this is sigma from r1 to n, greatest integer of 2r equal to 2010. Okay, so if we open the sigma, so we can write this as, say, this log 1 plus log 2 plus log 3 and so on. Okay, log last is n, say, for example. Okay, and this is 2010. Now see, we know log 1 is 0, so this is 0. Then log 2 is 1, log 2 base 2. Log 3 is log 3 base 2 is, which means this value is 2 point something. So this is nothing but 2. Okay. No, sorry. This is log 3 means 1. Okay. Now log 4 means 2. Okay. So just let me write few more terms so it will be easy for you. So let's say this is log 4, then log 5, log 6, and so on. Okay, so this is 2. Then log 5 is also 2 point something, so greatest integer function is 2. Log 6 is also 2 point something, and it will be continued till log 8, which means this log 8 is 2 cube. 2 cube means 3. So just this is log 7, and next is log 8 base 2. Log 8 base 2 means 3 point something. So log sorry, 2 cube. 2 cube means 3, and log 9 is 3. So you see the pattern here. So let's say, let me write, this is 1, this is 2, this is say this is 2 to the power 1. So this is 2 to the power 2, this is 2 cube, this is 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 5, and so on. Okay, so from 1 to 2, which means this is 2 to the power 1 means 2. So we have 3 somewhere in between this. So this is 4 and 5, 6, 7. So let's say, okay, so which means we have, and this is 1. So let's say 2 to the power 0. Okay, so for 2 to the power 0, we have 1. For 2 to the power 1 to 2 to the power 2, we have 1 and 1, which means we have 2 here. Okay, so let's say this is 2. Then from 2 square means 4 to 2 cube. Okay, so we have how many 2's are there? So we have, this is 1, this is 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we have 4 2's. So this is, say, let's say this is 4. 4 means 2 square. Okay, say similarly, if we observe the pattern, so we have 2 cube means we have 3 here. Okay, and up to 2 to the power 4 means 16. So we have 9 means this is 10, 11, and up to, say, this is 15, and this is 16. So which means we have total 8 numbers, and data is 3. And similarly, we have this is 4 number, that is 2. This is 2 number for 1, and this is 1 number for 0. Okay, so which means if we go like this, so what we have here is for 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 6, means from the number 16 to 32 we have 16 number, means 2 to the power 4, and 4 uh, there are 4 the number is 4, and which appears for 16 times. Okay, so which means 2 to the power 4. So which means we observe the pattern. The first number is, say, let's say this is 0 1, this is 1 2 numbers, and 4 is appears twice, so this is 2 square, then 3 appears, uh, this is not 2 8 2 cube, this is 3 2 cube. Okay, and so on. This is 4, let me write, this is just a minute, this is 2 to the power 4, then 5 into 2 to the power 5, 6 into 2 to the power 6, 7 into 2 to the power 7, and it will going to continue like this. Okay, so what we have here is we have 0, this is 2, this is 8, this is 8 into 3 means 24, this is 64, this is 32 into 5, 32 into 5 means 160, this is 64 into 6, 384, this is 128 into 7, this is 896, and 2 to the power 8 means 500, 256 into 8, 256 into 8, this is 2048. So you see this number is more than 2010. So which means we have to add this number and let check what we have get here. So which means this is so we get the sum as 1538. Okay, now we have to go to 2010. So which means the remaining number is, say, 2010 minus 1538. So we have 472. Okay, and let's write once again. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 4, this is 8, this is 16, up to this is 2 to the power 7 means 128, this is 2 to the power 8 means 256, and this is 512, 2 to the power 9. Okay, so now up to this 2 to the power 7, we get how much is this? 1538. Okay, sum of up to this number. Okay, now we have to go another 472. Okay, so no, just a minute, this is from this number, this is from 255 up to 255 we get as 1538. Then from this number we have to go another 472. Okay, so let's divide this by 8, which means from this number it is getting as 8. Okay, like this. Say log 2 to the power 8 2 plus log, this is 256, this is 257 base to 258 base 2 and so on. Okay, so which means we have to divide this 472 by 8. So this is 59. So 472 by 8 is 59, which means we have to take 59 more 8s to get to 2010. Okay, so which means our total number is, okay, so our total number is 1 this is so we have total of this 55 plus 59 numbers. So 255 plus 59 means 314 numbers. Okay, means our actual problems is sigma from n to 314 log r base 2, and this is the greatest feature function is 2010. Okay, so which means we have to find the sum of the digits of this n. So sum of the digits means 8. Okay, so this is the final answer.